Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll guide you through the simple process of activating your Capital One credit card so you can start using it immediately. Step 1. Gather your card and information. First, locate your new Capital One credit card and any accompanying documents. Make sure you have your card, social security number, and personal details ready for verification. Step 2. Activate online. Go to the official Capital One activation website at capitalone.com/activate or log into your Capital One online account. Find the Activate Card section and enter your card number and other requested information. Follow the prompts on the screen to complete the activation process. Step 3. Activate by phone. Alternatively, you can activate your card by calling the toll-free number provided on the sticker attached to your new card or on the back of your card. Follow the automated instructions and provide your card details and personal information. You may be asked to set up a PIN if your card supports it. Step 4. Confirmation. Once your card is successfully activated, you will receive confirmation online or during the phone call. Your card is now ready for use in stores, online, or for any other transactions supported by Capital One. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up for more helpful tips.